Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through several effective solutions to resolve the high CPU or memory usage issue caused by modern setup host on your Windows system. And now let's get started. If you are experiencing high CPU or memory usage from the modern setup host process on Windows, your first step should be to terminate the process. To do this, open the Task Manager. You can find it by searching for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and then opening the application. Once the processes have loaded, scroll through the list until you find the process associated with modern setup host. Select it, and then click to end the task. While I am demonstrating with a different process here, as I am not currently experiencing the issue, you will be able to identify and terminate the modern setup host process similarly. The next recommended solution involves disabling the Windows Update service. It is important to note that disabling this service will only be effective for your current session. Upon restarting your computer, the service will automatically re-enable itself. To proceed, search for Services in the Windows search bar and open the Services application. In the Services window, scroll down until you locate the Windows Update service. Right-click on the Windows Update service and ensure that it is stopped. Alternatively, you can choose to disable it. A clean boot can also help in identifying and resolving this problem. To perform a clean boot, search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open it. Within System Configuration, navigate to the Services tab. Here you will need to check the box that says Hide All Microsoft Services. After checking this box, if any services are still displayed, click on the Disable All button. Then, click Apply and OK. Finally, restart your system for the changes to take effect. The final solution we will explore is running the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right-click on your Start button and select Settings from the menu. Once in Settings, go to the System tab. On the left-hand side, select Troubleshoot. Then, in the right pane, select Other Troubleshooters. Locate the Windows Update troubleshooter and click on the Run button corresponding to it. This will initiate a scan to detect and resolve any underlying problems related to Windows Update. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.